Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to sell digital products from your farmer website or framer website. If you build your site with Framer, you can easily embed checkout buttons from Gumroad, basically so visitors can buy without leaving your page. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. So this is framer.com, create a professional website, free, no code or whatever. It's basically easier than it looks. So basically that's the whole platform. You can start with AI, start with for free. You can even log in or sign up. It depends on you. So let me go back to our Gumroad section. So to access all of this, all we have to do is open our gumroad.com. Then we can access this page where you should just log in using your email address and password. Then tap on dashboard. So now you have to go through this product section. You will be able to see your multiple products here. Tap the one you want, basically to put on your page. Tap on share, then copy the embed or buy button code. Open your Framer project, add an embed component, or basically paste the Gumroad embed code there. Then you can publish your site. Your Gumroad checkout will now appear on the page. As for like a bonus tips, use product landing pages for better conversion. Then add animations or product reviews in Framer. Then track clicks using analytics tools if you want to. And that's the whole idea. But if your product list looks just like me, you can basically just add new product, tap on here, then pick if it's digital product, tutorial, ebook, whatever. Next, tap a name, price, and save it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.